George Antill here. I've been involved in off-road racing for over 16 years. PedalMAX Terrain just has a knob. You can turn it, get more response out of your vehicle. A lot of these other things that are out in the field, you got to spend a lot of time adjusting them. You got to push a lot of buttons. Let's say you don't want so much pedal response. You turn it down. Then you get in an area where you need a little more. You want to go up some hills or climb around and do some things. You need that response. You turn the knob up and it really gets you going up those hills. And it's just a totally different unit that really adds to the UTVs. They make these things for trucks. And I cannot believe it's like somebody put a bigger motor in this thing. I mean, it really has the response.